Well, greetings, folks. I am Stu Dent, and welcome to Understanding Primary, Secondary, and Tertiary Sources. Yes, it's a clever title. I'm very proud of it. I wrote it. In this video, we're going to define primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, and then show specific examples of them moving from primary, secondary, and tertiary classifications. So first off, what are primary sources? Primary sources are first-hand accounts of events or research. Secondary sources list or analyze the information from primary sources. Tertiary sources compile and summarize primary and secondary sources. For example, primary sources could be artifacts or audiovisual recordings, or interviews, or they could be birth certificates, photographs, or works of art. Some examples of secondary sources are biographies, commentaries, and criticisms, as well as review articles, literature reviews, and documentaries. And finally, tertiary sources, which are encyclopedias, dictionaries, and almanacs, as well as databases, manuals, bibliographies, and chronologies. Now let's take a look at some specific examples of sources moving from primary to secondary to tertiary. Primary: the painting titled Mona Lisa by Da Vinci. Secondary: an article critiquing Mona Lisa. Yes, the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci is good. It's a classic. But it's no Michael Bay. Tertiary: a database containing that article on Da Vinci. Primary: George Washington's birth certificate. Secondary: a biography of George Washington. Yes, some call Washington the greatest American president, but true historians know that it was, of course, Grover Cleveland. Tertiary: a chronology of events in George Washington's biography. Primary: Albert Einstein's diary. Could you imagine reading Albert Einstein's diary? Carry the 1, divide by 3 times the mass of the sun. He has a crush on Gertrude. Secondary: a book examining Einstein's work. Tertiary: a dictionary definition of Einstein's theory of relativity. This has been Understanding Primary, Secondary, and Tertiary Sources. I hope you enjoyed yourselves and learned something. Take care, and may all of your papers be A's.